back roads and broken promises. Mama's porch where I learned to lie. 17 with a head full of bullshit. Thought I knew it all, damn was I high. Hit the dirt from my daddy's boots. Said this town ain't big enough for me. Now I'm rapping about the truth I knew. Wish I could take back what I used to be. Fucked around and found out what leaving really means. Burned bridges on my way out, now I'm haunted by the scenes. Can't go back to who I was. Can't forget what I done. Gravel crunches under worn out tires. Same damn road I swore I'd never see. Small town gossip spreads like wildfires. Everyone knows what became of me. Bars and stages, crowds that don't know my name, singing songs about the place I ran from. Success tastes bitter when you're playing this game. Miss the simplicity of where I come from. Fucked around and found out what leaving really means. Burned bridges on my way out, now I'm haunted by the scenes. Can't go back to who I was. Can't forget what I done. Should've listened when they said, boy, you don't know what you got till it's dead and buried in the ground where you forgot. I'm spitting my own bars about my hometown, rapping country like it's something new. But these stories ain't for show, they break down of a kid who thought he had something to prove. Every beat drops heavy like regret. Every rhyme cuts deep like a winter wind. Some mistakes you just can't forget. Some doors you just can't walk back in. Walked around and found out what leaving really means. Burned bridges on my way out, now I'm haunted by the scenes. Can't go back to who I was. Can't forget what I done. Just settles on an empty room where I used to lay my head. Some choices seal your doom. Some words are better left unsaid. Back roads got me thinking about my past. Gravel picking up memories don't last. Mama always said keep your head high, but these small town nights make me wonder why. Dusty boots and faded jeans, chasing something in between what I got and what I need. Plenty of roots, but still I bleed. Can't shake this feeling deep inside. Restless heart won't let me hide from the truth I try to find. In these hills I left behind. Yeah, these hills I left behind. Yeah. Can't go back now. Can't go back now. Pickup truck been my best friend down these lanes and never end. Radio playing our old song makes me think where I went wrong. Cornfields stretch for miles around, but peace ain't nowhere to to be found. Got this ache I can't explain, like I'm dancing in the rain. Can't shake this feeling deep inside. Restless heart won't let me hide from the truth I try to find. In these hills I left behind, yeah, these hills I left behind. Yeah, can't go back now. Can't go back now. Sometimes I wonder if I stay, would things be different? Would I fade into the background of this town, or would I still be breaking down? Can't shake this feeling deep inside. Restless heart won't let me hide from the truth I try to find. In these hills I left behind, yeah, these hills I left behind. Yeah, can't go back now. Can't go back now. Never going back now. Back roads got me thinking about my past. Some things ain't meant to last. Back roads, black smoke, truck bed, fit up, can't quit. Split lip, mad world, bad girl. Spitfire, white tie, fight nights, bite down. I got that dirt road flow, mud on my boots, yeah I know. Country bred, city fed, never leave what's in my head. Dirt road flow, that's how I roll. Barn cats, fast stacks, quick cash, dash pass, old fence, incense, true grit. Split quick, spitfire, white tie, fight nights, bite down. I got that dirt road flow, mud on my boots, yeah I know. Country bred, city fed, never leave what's in my head. Dirt road flow, that's how I roll. Backbeat, backstreet, backwood born, rap sheet, fast feet past the corn. Quick with split hit, grit and grind, 6-bit, bit by bit, peace of mind. Small town, fall that, track facts, real talk, steel walk, hard earned, barn burn, spitfire, white tie, fight nights, bite down. I got that dirt road flow, mud on my boots, yeah I know. Country bred, city fed, never leave what's in my head. Dirt road flow, that's how I roll. Dirt road, my code. Stay true, me and you. Back roads calling my name again tonight. Just kicking up from these worn out tires. Been driving circles round this empty town. Can't shake the weight that's pulling me down. Every mile marker, every fence post reminds me of what I lost the most. Radio static, heartbeats hollow, don't know which direction I should follow. I'm just a ghost on this lost highway, searching for something I can't even say. Miles keep turning but I stay the same. Lost highway blues running through my veins. Highways running through my veins. Running through my veins. Gravel voice echoes through my pickup cab. Memories hitting like a lightning jab. Used to know exactly where I belong. Now every turn feels completely wrong. Dashboard compass spinning round and round. My feet ain't touching solid ground. Gas tank empty but I keep on moving. Can't stop this rhythm, can't stop this grooving. I'm just a ghost on this lost highway, searching for something I can't even say. Miles keep turning but I stay the same. Lost highway blues running through my veins. Highways running through my veins. Running through my veins. Running through my home. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. Maybe I'm meant to just wander alone. Either way I keep pushing ahead. These lost highway blades stuck in my head. Sunset painting the sky blood red. Another day of questions left unsaid. Headlights cutting through the Texas night, still searching for that guiding light. Every crossroads brings another choice, but I can barely hear my own voice. Lost highway blues got me hypnotized. Can't tell the truth from all these lies. I'm just a ghost on this lost highway, searching for something I can't even say. Miles keep turning but I stay the same. Lost highway blues running through my veins. Miles running through my veins. Yeah, running through my veins. Back roads calling my name again tonight. Guess I keep driving till I see the light.